Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile guys apps notification turn off setting, how to turn off apps notification, how to disable app notification in Oppo mobile, word by word and friends step by step I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Oppo mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here notification setting. After notification setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, click here manage notification. After manage notification friends, scroll it and friends you can see all app. A to Z friends, all app here. Which app notification friends you want to turn off, select your app. Example friends, you don't want to use your Oppo mobile phone Snapchat notification. Friends, click here and friends Snapchat notification will off, and friends we cannot use Oppo mobile Snapchat notification. Friends, Instagram notification you want to turn off, you don't want to use Oppo mobile Instagram notification, you can turn off. After all friends, you cannot use Instagram notification. And friends, you want to use any app notification, so when select your app, and friends you can on app notification from here. So friends, which app notification, select app. Google notification, Gmail notification friends you don't want to use, so friends click here app notification will turn off. And friends you want to turn off app notification with shortcut setting, so when direct press on app. Example friends, you don't want to use Oppo mobile WhatsApp notification, click here app info setting. Friends, you want to install app, you can install from here. Friends, click here manage notification setting. WhatsApp notification is on, so you can turn off, and WhatsApp notification is off, so friends you can turn on from here. So like that friends, we can use app notification setting, we can disable, we can turn off app notification in our mobile by friends.